This is Derek Prince with a word for you from the Word. Morning by morning, O Lord, you hear my voice. Morning by morning, I lay my requests before you and wait in expectation. How do you begin each day? Does your day begin with a scramble, with a flurry, with trying to do 3 different things at the same time? Do you find yourself often short of breath, short of temper, angry with your wife or your husband, scolding the kids, unrestful, anxious, perplexed? You go out into the day unprepared, ill-armed, not altogether confident of what lies ahead of you. The reason is you didn't begin the day right. Take a lesson from David. He says to the Lord, "Morning by morning, O Lord, you hear my voice." The first thing David did each morning was to lift his voice to the Lord. He goes on to say, "Morning by morning, I lay my requests before you and wait in expectation." That's the wise way to begin the day. Lift your voice to God in prayer. Lay your requests before Him. Set out before Him the things you're going to have to do that day. Commit to Him the problems, the difficulties you anticipate. And then, like David, you'll be able to wait in expectation. You won't be worried, fearful. You'll be expecting the answer to those prayers that you committed to God in the morning. Remember, that's the secret. Begin each day by letting God hear your voice.